Welcome back to the RV Rundown. I'm your host Barry, and this is the segment where we take a quick look at some of the hottest floor plans on the market today. I'm here on the Southern RV sales lot, and I'm standing inside a 2022 Venture RV SportTrek ST251VRK. This is a super cool little travel trailer built with solo travelers or couples in mind, although it does have a convertible dinette, so it could sleep a guest if needs be. It's 50 amp service and it has 2 ACs, and I'm standing here in the back of the camper in the RK portion of the VRK, the rear kitchen, and I'm right by our entryway. So what's noticeable here that I'd like to point out is as soon as we come in our entryway, to the right we have an instantly accessible closet that's actually pretty large. It doubles as a pantry, a coat closet, and a space to stand up brooms or vacuums. The control panel is neatly tucked and hidden away behind the TV that's on its own pivot. Slides out. That's going to keep prying children's hands away from it for sure. And then the rear kitchen portion of this, the RK, is very well equipped for such a small travel trailer. We have a 12-volt refrigerator here from Furrion with a nice big freezer compartment. Down low, we've got our emergency fire extinguisher, some storage. We've got our 3-burner stove top here. This is a gas range with a glass cover. That's going to help just extend that counter space and really make the most of what we have. Oven down below that. They've given us some cool little touches like the Venture cutting board that's hanging on the wall back here. We have a Furrion microwave up top, so just all matching appliances here. Furrion fridge, microwave, and the oven. The sink itself has a wonderful grate cover that's going to allow water to go through, allow you to dry dishes, vegetables, things of that nature. And it's got a big, large spray port here that's going to make it easy to clean off big pots and pans. Plenty of storage in the form of cabinetry up above, and just to let some natural light in, they've put a skylight in here in the kitchen. It's really going to help you out when you're prepping your food. Stepping out of the kitchen, we're instantly in our living space. So what we have is some theater seating that reclines. It's directly across from that TV that's on that pivot that we saw there. And then there, down below it, we've got a small bit of storage with our head unit for audio, as well as popping in a DVD. Down below that, there is an in-a-flame electric fireplace. That is a heater, so it is going to offset gas cost in the cold months. Now, they've done something that I personally think is really cool in such a small trailer. It's done 2 things. One, it's given us a space to set up a computer desk or a gaming station of some variety. This flips up. You could have a monitor back here. We've got power. And then there's a nice little window behind it. And I say it does 2 things because we'll check this out in a second. But underneath this and outside, we have an outside kitchen. Kind of cool way of killing 2 birds with 1 stone. So, moving forward, we have our dinette. The dinette will drop down into a bed. This is what I was talking about earlier. It does have some storage up underneath it. And they've given us the big plastic tubs to make things easy to get in and out of that storage. All of this is directly across from our bathroom. The bathroom is compact, but it has everything we need. The foot flush toilet, the nice sink with a medicine cabinet, a big glass enclosure shower stall there. I tried to call it a refrigerator. I don't know why. It's got a nice skylight up above for the tall folks, as well as some storage for your linens and towels and things like that off to the side. Pushing forward even more, we head into our bedroom. This bedroom, I think, is very, very, very pretty. It's a traditional travel trailer bedroom setup, but what makes it slightly different is the way that they've built out their cabinetry. We have the traditional hanging closets on either side with some shelf storage up above. So that's plenty deep. It's got plenty of space for clothes and whatnot. But if you look back here to the side, they've cut out a space where we have essentially what amounts to nightstands. There's USB ports and power there, and it's big enough to put a CPAP machine in. As I was saying, this is 50 amp service. It has 2 air conditioners. One of them's right here above the bedroom. We do have a spot where we can hook up a TV. So if you wanted to put a TV in your bedroom, that's not a problem. And you can see behind me, we've got a door that heads to the exterior. Before we head out to check out that outside kitchen though, I'm gonna point out one more thing. This is pretty common these days, but that is a big storage area under that bed, and it's strut assisted, so it gets in and out of it with ease. Let's pop outside and check out that outside kitchen that we looked at, or that I was talking about just a little bit earlier. Having 2 entry doors on the camper is kind of cool. They've definitely treated them a little bit differently. The door that comes off of the bedroom here has your old school fold-away style stairs and just a small grab handle, whereas the main entry door has our step above stairs as well as a big grab handle. So that's a quick way to differentiate between the two. As we were saying, inside, that desk space affords us an outside kitchen. Let's get that unlocked there. I love little touches like the magnets that just makes opening and closing things easy. It automatically catches. Here you can see this, we do have that little outside kitchen space with an electric refrigerator, a sink, as well as my favorite part, a suburban griddle that rolls out. So this top just simply flips over, and this is tied back into our gas line. There we go. And so this is going to allow us to cook our bacon, our greasy things, our fish, whatever else out here on the griddle top without stinking up the inside of the camper. I think that's super cool. Guys, I really hope you've enjoyed this quick tour of the SportTrek. You can see it for yourself in person here at Southern RV in McDonough, Georgia, or visit us online at southernrv.com. Until next time, happy camping.